This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry Dominguez. Spacious 1-bedroom, a den and 2 full bathrooms faces northeast, enjoying ocean views and sounds. Impact glass and a very nice footprint, it's a blank canvas price to sell to allow for renovations to suit your own taste. Burleigh House is right on the beach, amidst restaurants, markets, an exciting nightlife and more. Amenities include a gym, social room for meetings and private events, a game room and more. The inviting, glistening pool beachside is about to reopen after a complete renovation. 24/7 concierge, garage attendant and on-site management office are quite convenient. Maintenance includes reserves, internet, cable and pest control. NoBe is the place to be, with exciting new projects planned for the area. Pending assessments for renovations will be paid by owner at closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Terry Dominguez at 305-898-7028.